Hello, my name is Carol Lippert, and I'm the Executive Director for Grand Canyon University's K-12 Educational Development Department. I'm here to talk to you about the various opportunities available through Canyon Professional Development. Backed by GCU's rich educational history, CanyonPD provides educators with unique opportunities focused on a variety of topics, including STEM, grant writing, and classroom management. Programs led by educational experts are available on-site, with additional learning opportunities available virtually or on GCU's campus in West Phoenix. We offer subscription plans for schools inside and outside of the Phoenix metro area, ranging from online-only support and consulting to a full schedule of customized workshops hosted virtually at your site or at GCU. Our subscription models strive to help schools save time, reduce costs, and build staff experience.
It's just the process of directing students into learning how to ask their own questions so that they could formulate their own types of investigations. By the end of it, I was pretty confident. I feel like it's changed my whole approach on teaching.
I would absolutely recommend Canyon Professional Development to other schools, other administrators, teachers, because the growth in this one-on-one connections that we have made with Grand Canyon has been something that is going to continue. We're going to see the ripple effects of that for years to come, and we are so excited for that, and I'd recommend that to any other school in the Valley.
At CanyonPD, we strive to help schools build content expertise, increase resource access, and improve learning opportunities. Partner with us today to take advantage of our research-based, hands-on experiences. For more information on CanyonPD, email canyonprofdev@gcu.edu or visit gcu.edu/CanyonPD.